Children, I hope you all have enjoyed your holidays and you all are fine. All these holidays you were better inside, you were safe. Now we have to start with our routine procedure, that is the studies. Now you are also back to work, I am also back to work. So let's start with the next chapter, that is chapter 3, physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Now chapter 2, that is Olympic movement, that is an entire different chapter when compared to the first chapter. So first chapter you had seen the importance of physical education in your career. Okay, so this is somewhat related to the first chapter, that is why first I am taking the third chapter, so that you can have a link between the first and the third chapter. Now third chapter, that is physical fitness, wellness and lifestyle. Now all these three terms are interlinked, they almost mean the same but still they are different. Okay, so here we can see physical fitness. If I am breaking this topic into small parts, you can see physical fitness, that is the first part. That consists of health related fitness as well as skill related fitness. Health related fitness means, from the word health itself, what do we understand? That is, the person is healthy, fit, fine, he is able to do any work that you are giving. That is health related fitness. Now skill related fitness means that a person, even though he is having some diseases or he is not keeping well, but still he is able to perform his duty or perform his occupation well. For example, you can see that there are sometimes it happens that your head is aching, your stomach is aching, you are not feeling that well, but tomorrow you are having the exam. Especially if you are having physics and chemistry exam, you have no excuses, you have to study. And maths, so I am not mentioning only because no one will have an opportunity to leave maths and sit and relax. Okay, so that when that situation comes in your life, we call it as skill related fitness. That is, even though you are not physically fit, but you have that skill that I have to work because I have to get good grades in the exam. So that is physical fitness. Now what is the importance of physical fitness? We can have the next topic. Now just in brief, I'll give you a small idea of what is wellness. Okay. Now physical fitness I have explained to you. You have understood what is physical fitness. Now wellness is much broader term. It means that you are physically, mentally, socially, emotionally fit, fine and well. That is wellness. Lifestyle, of course. Lifestyle, from the word itself you can understand the style of life which you are following. Style of life does not mean that whatever you are wearing or you are showing off, all these things are not included in lifestyle. It is a pattern that you are following in your daily routine which is making you a healthy person, right? Now we will come to the physical fitness again. So let me elaborate this topic, that is importance of physical fitness. Now why physical fitness is important? First thing is for the longevity. Longevity means that you should survive for more years. For example, we can see that when we compare ourselves to our grandfathers or grandmothers, we find that we are not so much fit when compared to them. Sometimes what happens that when you are going to a park or a garden, you find that there are people running, jogging, etc. with that and they are not able the more they are jogging and all, they are continuously taking long breaths, which indicates that they are not so much fit and fine. So if you are having a physical fitness that is health related as well as skill related, then your lifespan or the years of your life is going to increase. Now second point is to boost the energy. Continuously if you are doing any physical activity, any mental activity, your energy is going to get boosted up. For example, if you are continuously working out daily, you are doing some exercises, then naturally the energy supply to your blood will increase. How it will increase? Oxygen will be carried more because you will be taking in more oxygen, giving out more carbon dioxide. That fresh oxygen will be passing through your blood. That blood will be fastly passing into your brains and ultimately you will be provided with more energy. That is, oxidation of the food will be taking fast and as a result there will be more amount of energy provided to you. So this all can take place if you are physically fit. Skill related also same thing, that is, the more your brain is going to work, the more skillful you will be in your job. Now next is having strong musculoskeletal system. Strong musculoskeletal system. In this you can find that if you're physically fit, your muscular system will be such that you will be able to take up any responsibility that is given to you, whether it is any physical work or it is any mental work. That means you will be feeling yourself afresh every time a new task is given to you. Now next importance of physical fitness in our life is to prevent the fat deposits. The more you are going to be physically fit, the more you will be able to reduce the amount of fat and cholesterol in your body. As a result, you are going to be fit, you are going to survive more, and naturally that will lead to a healthy life. So all these points, if we just look at, we can see that all these points are interrelated to each other. Now next you have to reduce the illness. Obviously, if you are fit, there will be less amount of illness, sleepiness, laziness, which usually we have at this age itself. That all things we are not going to have if you are physically fit. So every day it is very important that you should pay attention to health related fitness by doing some yoga, meditation, physical activities, jogging, cycling, etc. Plus skill related activities, that is working out your maths sums, doing physics, chemistry, biology, helping out your younger ones. Anyway, you have to boost up your energy, right? Now last point which you have is to increase the memory. The more you work, the more you are going to be perfect in that, isn't it? We have a saying that practice makes a man perfect. So it is better that more you are going to practice throughout the exercises also, as well as through your skill related activities like some crossword puzzles. You have like other that is brainstorming activities. Lot of activities nowadays we have. You can see, open your computers and see. You can go through the newspapers. Newspapers are a very good source where you can get the Sudoku and all these things. These all brain booster activities you have to perform to keep yourself physically and mentally fit. So these are the importance of physical fitness in our life. And now next class we will be studying in detail about the components of physical fitness. That is, we will elaborate the topic to some more detail. Thank you children. Till then, please study whatever is being taught in the class. Be updated, complete your notes, and I hope that previous class notes you have completed. Keep on studying because your PT1 are fast approaching. Thank you students. Bye.